Here I have Nokia C20, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So for the first thing, let's switch to the English language, then tap Let's Go. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting the SIM card, but if you don't have it on, you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you can just set up your device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you can set up your date and time. Then you have the Google services. If you want them, just leave them, but I suggest you to disable them. In any case, you will have to accept Google terms of service and privacy policy. Next, you can try to unlock the face unlock, but you can skip this step and try it anytime later in settings. Then you can set up any other lock screen method. You can also skip this step for now and do this later in settings. And now you're nearly ready to go. Just tap Not Now and your device will be ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.